Ready? Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I am indeed grateful to the House for their constructive, cooperative, and creative approach, and particularly for lifting the whole debate without in any way bringing in party politics insofar as the export import aspect of the Commerce Ministry is concerned. It has been treated to be very much vital for the national economy, and naturally I do treat the various suggestions that have been put forward, including the criticism, as a healthy sign. Full stop. I have no doubt that these suggestions will help me in further improving the working of my ministry. Full stop. Sir, certain issues have been made out by the honorable speakers, and particularly these questions have been put to me. Full stop. What is the exact strategy of the government? Question mark. How does the government look at the whole commerce ministry, at the export trade and the import trade? Question mark. It is in this context that I felt that I should spell out the policies in a very precise form, and the House will please bear with me if I read to the extent a part of my speech. Full stop. And afterwards I shall take up the suggestions from the honorable members. Full stop. Para. Sir, Ministry of Commerce has a very important role to play in the economy of the country. Full stop. The export production efforts, the import and export policies, our attitude to international trade policy matters are integral components of the government's overall developmental strategy of promoting growth with the social justice. Full stop. It goes without saying that to perform its task effectively, the Ministry of Commerce and the organizations and agencies under it, as also its representatives abroad from a well-known groups manned by honest, sincere and dedicated persons. Full stop. Soon after I took charge of this ministry, I had to take urgent measures to cleanse and recognize that ministry. Full stop. Those persons about whom there were reasons to be believe that they placed the consideration of themselves or other individuals above the interests of the country had to be relieved of their responsibilities, and steps have been taken to find suitable replacements. Full stop. The internal working of the ministry has also been restructured with a view to increasing its efficiency. Full stop. I am also presently engaged in the task of examining ways and means of strengthening our commercial representation abroad so as to serve our trade interests better. Full stop. Sir, I suppose this was a good policy which was also appreciated by the honorable members. Full stop.